Well, hello there. It's your old pal B, Beatrice Eglantine Arthurson, here with another word of the day. The word of the day is esurient. Esurient. If you already know what esurient means, type your definition in the comments below. Esurient. Hungry or greedy. It's an adjective. When I skip breakfast, I feel positively esurient by lunchtime. I like that word, that's pretty. Latin, esurient. You can count on Aunt Ida and her esurient dog to clear the table of any leftovers. Thank you for joining Word of the Day. If you liked this video, please subscribe to me on Instagram or on the YouTubes. My YouTube is B_astral_dame. I'm also on the TikTok. Probably under the same name, but I have no idea. Thank you so much.